I used to hide in the mirror, pick apart every flaw I'd see, fighting shadows in the silence. Never thought I was enough to keep. Then you walked in like a sunrise, spoke a language soft and true. Every word you said felt different, like my heart already knew. You don't see the broken pieces, you don't see the tears I hide. You look at me like I'm whole already, like I don't need to try. The way you see me, baby, I wish I saw it too. Like I'm gold, like I'm worthy, like I'm everything to you. You love me past my doubts, past every scar. I knew the way you see me, baby, is teaching me to love me too. You trace hope across my skin, yeah, where I only felt the pain. Turn my doubts into something that don't feel so heavy on my brain. You remind me I'm a blessing, even when I can't believe. You hold me like I'm heaven when I'm struggling just to breathe. You don't flinch when I'm unraveling, you don't run when I'm undone. You call me beautiful in moments I feel like I'm no one. The way you see me, baby, yeah, I wish I saw it too. Like I'm gold, like I'm worthy, oh, like I'm everything to you. You love me past my doubts, past every scar. I knew the way you see me, baby, is teaching me to love me too. Maybe love ain't just a feeling, maybe it's the way you stay. When I'm lost inside my fears, you don't ever turn away. You remind me who I am when I forget my name, and every time you say you're enough, I start to feel the same. You see a queen where I saw broken, you hear a song where I was silent. You found a light I didn't notice. Now I'm shining the way you see me, baby. I'm starting to see it too. I'm gold, I'm worthy, I'm everything to you. You love me through my doubts, through everything I've been through. The way you see me, baby, made me finally love me too. So thank you for your vision, for loving me so true. 'Cause the woman I am becoming, she looks a lot like you.